How to set a big clock on the Samsung's lock screen. So if you want to increase the size of your clock on your phone's lock screen, maybe change the color and style, I'm going to show you how you can do this. Let's get started. Firstly, we're going to open up the settings and scroll down until we could reach the lock screen and AOD customizations. Now just find the blue option, Edit Lock Screen. Or instead of those tabs, you can just press and hold on your current lock screen, then enter your current PIN code, password to unlock customizations, and you will see the same screen. So next, just tap on the clock, and as the first tab, let's customize font and color. For example, we can change how thick it will be, how bold it will be. We can also change the font style, or we can tap on style and change it even more. For example, you can set even the calendar. And to increase size, what you're gonna do is you're gonna just drag those corners of the clock like that. You can use the pin gesture, or you can drag the corners, and this is the maximum size. Also, you can, let's just select the typical clock. You can also just move it down a bit or move it up as you wish. Let me just move it up. You can also move it to the left side, to the right, to the bottom, and just customize it as you want to, but this is the biggest size possible. Additionally, you can enable to show weather information and show date above clock, so you can customize it even further. And once you're satisfied with changes, all you have to do is to click done in the top right. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.